In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new button in Mobirise using the code editor. If you've ever wanted an extra call to action on a Mobirise block, the fastest, cleanest way is to duplicate an existing button through the code editor. To follow along smoothly, you'll likely need the Mobirise code editor extension. You'll know you have it if you see a small code icon, usually labeled with angle brackets, on your block or in the toolbar. If that icon isn't available, you may not have the extension enabled in your project. Start by selecting a block in your page that already has a button. This matters because we want to reuse the styling and spacing your theme already provides. Click the code editor icon to open the block's HTML. Inside the code, look for the container that holds the buttons. In most Mobirise themes, this is a div with a class like MBR section BTN. Within that div, you'll see individual buttons defined using anchor tags. They usually look like an A tag with classes that include BTN, for example, BTN, BTN primary. Find one of those tags that represents the button you see on the page. Highlight and copy the entire button tag, not just the text inside it. A typical snippet looks like this: my button. Copying the whole element ensures you keep the styling classes that match your design. Next, paste that snippet inside the same MBR section BTN div, right beside the existing button's code. Keeping it in that exact container is important because that's where the theme applies layout, spacing, and responsive behavior. After pasting, change the visible button text to whatever you want the new button to say, then update the href attribute. The placeholder number simply goes nowhere, so replace it with a real link like https://example.com or a section anchor on the same page if you're linking internally. Be sure the link includes the correct protocol, usually HTTPS. If your design uses specific button colors or sizes, leave the BTN classes as they are to match the theme. Only adjust classes if you know which variants your theme supports. Also, double check that you didn't accidentally delete any quotation marks or angle brackets when pasting. A small typo can break the layout. Close the editor and you should see your new button sitting alongside the original with consistent styling. That's it. By reusing the existing button's code, you maintain design consistency and save time.